Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a loaded hoop mail that I created, and of course I used the beautiful images from Polkadoodles. I used the Winnie girls from different collections, and I'm going to have all of those links in the description box. Alright, so now let me share with you the project. So here is the project that I created. I really love the paper. This is exactly the paper, the colors that I wanted to go with. You know that I do love my pastel colors and my Winnie, so what a better combination. So let's start from the very beginning. So the actual hoop is 8 inches and it is fairly small. Unfortunately I wasn't able to fit too much into it. And let me just share with you the back really quickly. So let's go ahead and start from the front. So in the front, I added this really pretty trim that I have from a stash. And then in the middle, I added this glittered heart trim that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now these crepe paper rosettes, actually I bought them and they are from Instagram. And her name is Christina, and here they are. Look how perfectly she makes them. So like I was saying, in the front, I added these 2 crepe paper rosettes, and then on top of that I added that beautiful Winnie image. And then now this, I cut it from this paper collection, which I will also link in the description box. This is just a felt from Hobby Lobby. And now let me start getting everything out of the pocket. So the very first thing that I've added here is this right here. And this is, I'm calling it like a little booklet. I made this and I got this idea from Rosa Kelly. I think she calls them like journals where you staple them in the front. And so I tried to keep everything as flat as possible so that I can fit as much as I could. And here is another beautiful image from Polkadoodles. And then I just layered a few dies. And here's what the inside looks like. Now what I did was, so that this wouldn't be as thick, I printed the paper on both sides. And then here is just some copy paper. I actually do have a tutorial on how I make these. It is using a We Are Memory Keeper stapler, and I did it using cards as the base. So that's that. And then of course, if you're going to have this, you need to have a pen. So here is a pen, and I perfectly matches this whole collection. Now the next item is this right here. This is just like really cute packaging. I've added stuff that I used on this loaded hoop, which is some of this trim, and then the heart trim, and then just an image. And all I did here was just, I got a piece of paper and I did it to the width of whatever bags these bags were, and then I folded it about, this is folded 1.5 inch, and then I just added another piece of paper and then just decorated the top, and that was my topper. And this is what that looks like. Really simple and yet cute. And then of course I added one of my shaker tags. I really like how this one looks. Really simple as well. Shaker tags, I do have a tutorial on how to make these. Now these bows right here, these 2 bows are from Pekin, Maine. And then this one is from the Bride's Bow Magnolia Doohickey. So I just want to mention that before I forget. And another image from Polkadoodles, and that one says love you. Really cute. And that's the back. That's another pretty trim. And then the last thing I added in here were just some die cuts that I wanted to gift. So to whomever this is going, they can make projects using these. And this is just very simple. This is just a back topper from my stash. I added this. I like to collect these. These are hair clips for little girls, and I like to use them as embellishments for my projects, and that's what I've done here. And that is pretty much it, you guys. And here is what my embroidery hoop looks like, and it is covered in this really pretty paper. This is a digital paper that I got from an Etsy seller, and here is the back. And let me share something with you. What's really nice about these digital papers is that you can make the scale of the image a lot smaller. So as you can see, this is not even the regular size. It is much larger, but here it is on a smaller scale. Same image, but smaller scale. That way it can be proportioned to whatever project it is that you're making. All right, so that is what it looks like empty. I really like it. It's so pretty. I really love this part, and I really love the Eiffel Tower and the cars with balloons and the hot air balloons and the flowers. I just love everything about this project, you guys. So there it is, put all back together. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.